Awesome people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make those beautiful 3D flower that you can use to design your dresses. You guys know that the fashion industry is getting more competitive, so you need to up your game in order to be able to compete with other high fashion designers in this industry. So this is a very easy tutorial to follow. You can make this to sell, and if you want to sell this, you can actually make like 100 in a day or even more depending on how fast you are. All right guys, so this is one of the easiest tutorials you're going to find here on this space. So if you want to learn how to do this, please don't go anywhere, keep watching. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me well to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All right, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So this piece of fabric right here is 7 inches by 7 inches. So I'm going to fold this way. I'll use my iron to press it down. So this has been nicely pressed. So I'm going to cut out a long strand of sewing thread. Yeah, there is no measurement for this. Just cut out something very long and then fold it into two. So I'm going to start forming my flowers. I'm going to start from this angle. All right, so I'm going to fold in this manner. Just follow me step by step. This is actually very easy to do. So you're going to be folding it as if you are pleating. So once you get to the end, you're going to take in this part of the fabric this way. So I'm going to use my thread to tie this at this point because I need it to stay firm. Just keep tying until you're sure that this is strong enough. Once you are done, you tie a knot or two at the back to secure your thread. So I'm going to make like 3 of this. Okay, so we have 3 already. So I'm going to go on to cut out the excess. So I have 3 of them ready. Let's go on to make the smaller flower. Use anything that has a circle shape to draw out your circle. So gently use the scissors to cut out your pattern. I'm going to use a lighter for the edges because this fabric frays. If you have a fabric that doesn't fray, you may not need to use a lighter. I'm going to use my needle and thread to form some loose stitches in the middle of this circle. To secure this, I'm going to go over it again. So this is the way this flower will be joined. At this point, you can decide to use a gum to join it, but I'm going to be using my needle and thread because I feel like since this is going to be used on a dress and dresses get washed all the time, so I need to use something that will last as long as the dress lasts. If you use gum, it will be easier for you, but then it might not last as long as using thread to sew them together will last. So I'm going to use thread to sew them together. So there is no hard or fast rule on how to join this. All you need to do is just to fix your needle and thread at one point, starting from one flower, and you pass it on to the other and pass it to the third one and bring it back. It's just like going round and round just to make sure 3 of them are connected. So I'm going to use this little piece that I created to cover this mess you can see right here. And because I'm using my thread and needle, you're going to need to pass it in such a way that the thread won't show. Like, it takes a little bit of technicality for you to do this so that the work will look so neat and then your thread won't just be seen everywhere. You can go over this as many times as you like, until you're sure that this is secure. And once you are sure, you come over to the back and tie to secure the thread finally. So guys, this is what we have. So to cover it, you can use a felt fabric, or you can use the same fabric you used to make the flower to cover it. Alright guys, this is all about it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have watched up to this point, it means you're getting value, for your time. So do me well to like this video and feel free to ask any questions you like to ask in the comment section below, and also feel free to leave your video suggestions in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Go on to subscribe. Subscription is free. All right, this is all about it for this video. Until I see you guys next time, have a swell time.